Welcome guys, so today I am with Realme Buds Air 3 and I will show you how you can pair these earbuds with your Apple Watch. So at first we have to move these earbuds to the pairing mode. So we have to open the case and then click and hold this button on the right side until this indicator on the front starts blinking, just like that. Right now you are able to release that button. Put the case back, but do not close it. Next, you have to grab your Apple Watch and simply open the settings. Then scroll down to the Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher. And when you make it, you will get right here in the available devices Realme Buds Air 3. So tap on them once. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.